How to log into Telegram on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Telegram account on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, download the Telegram app from your app store and then simply open the app. Now as soon as you open the app, it'll take you to this page where you'll have to either swipe left and then tap on the option start messaging. After that, you'll have to first of all select your region if it is not automatically selected. Now once you've selected your region, simply enter your phone number over here. Now once you've entered your phone number, tap on the option continue, and then it'll ask you whether this number is correct or not. So if it is correct, tap on the option continue. Now in order to get the 5-digit code, you'll have to tap on the option tap to get a code via SMS right over here, and then it'll send a 5-digit code to your phone number. As you can see, the code has already arrived. Simply enter that code in, and there you have it. So that is basically how you log into your Telegram account on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.